Before we conclude this chapter, let's tie it back to the last one using the net worth formula. In case you're not familiar with net worth, it is a measure of wealth, and it's a pretty simple formula. It's simply assets minus liabilities. But what are assets and what are liabilities? Your assets are a lot of the things we've just talked about. Cash and cash equivalents. Cash equivalents just means checking and savings accounts. Investments, which we've just talked about at length, but mutual funds, retirement plans, 529 plans for children, for example. Property, and this isn't land, you can see that's the fourth one, but it's the big stuff like houses, cars, boats, jewelry. Those are your assets, really the big things in your life that have value. Monetary value, that is. So, what are liabilities? Those are your loans and credit card debt, which we made a list of in the challenge on the last chapter. It's okay if your net worth is negative right now. That's not uncommon, especially if you just graduated college, for example, and have a lot of student loan debt, maybe some credit card debt, and not a whole lot of assets. That just gives you a chance to set your first goal, which is to at least break even. That is, have the same amount of assets as liabilities. And then you can start to widen the gap. The goal for your net worth should at first be to be positive and then to be increasing.